Hello everyone, let's continue our set of videos. So now I have installed the RNWP plugin and I have used the configuration settings as per the previous video, and now I don't want to keep the plugin. Or maybe if I don't have, if I'm not using this template, then why would I install this plugin? Well, this mainly depends on the functionality you want to have in your REST API routes. Uh, if you have this plugin makes some adjustments on the REST API in order to show some functionalities. The first one is regarding the search. If the default REST API route for WordPress is mainly searching one post type, so I cannot search for both posts and pages. If I would need to search posts and pages simultaneously, this is not available on the default REST API supported by WordPress. This plugin provides a custom REST API route, so that if you are searching for both posts and pages, you can just provide this. So if I'm writing privacy, for example, as you can see here, it's showing privacy policy, and it's showing the prepare expo build or whatever other posts, which are different post type. Privacy policy is a page. As you can see here, privacy policy is the only page. The others are mainly posts. So if you are considering, if you want a REST API that can search for both posts and pages, then you would need this to be installed. Otherwise, you can configure the user config.js to disable the plugin installed key. It will be false in this case if you don't want to show it. And in this case, you will need to specify which post type you will need. The default one is posts, so it will search here for posts only. So if I configure it this way, no privacy policy is shown again. Because in this case, it's only searching for posts. It's not searching for posts and pages. So this will be the first functionality provided by this plugin. Next, if we have a WooCommerce website, then maybe you would need to show product tags and categories. If you are not enabling this plugin, neither the product categories nor the product tags will have a REST route. So this plugin ensures that both categories and tags would have REST routes that you could configure here. There is something else that the plugin supports, which is the default number of posts to be fetched by the REST API. Normally, if I went to the normally for this website, the maximum number of posts to be fetched is 100. So, for example, if I requested 150 posts, it will return me this message. Per page must be inclusive between 100 and 100. So maybe I will change it here to 200. It still gets it. For sure, if it's 201, it won't get, because the maximum here now is between 100 and 200. So if you need any of these functionalities, if you need a search API that searches for all posts, if you need to add product categories and tags. If you need to increase the maximum number of posts to be fetched by the REST API, then you will still need the RNWP plugin installed on your website in order to adjust these functionalities. So just I wanted to clarify this point because it may not be clear, and I will see you in the next video.